Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be doing a little clean with me. We can clean my apartment, or maybe just my room, who knows. But I wanted to do this video. These are some of my favorite videos to do because number one, I get to clean. Number two, it's like fun to film it and it like encourages me to do it. So yeah, if you guys are not subscribed, subscribe. Turn on the post notification so you're notified when I upload. Yeah, and follow me on Instagram. Every time I clean, I like to do a little like before and after, like a tap to clean. Everyone says that they're really satisfying, so I'll do one today. Apparently they're really good. So I'll show you guys where we're at. I'm currently watching the election. Today's Friday, so it hasn't been announced yet, but obviously by the time this video goes up, it will be. Here's my room. It's not that messy. I just have a lot of things that I want to do with it. Like that doesn't look that great. I have, you know, towels on the floor from showering. I was like, whatever, I'm gonna clean. Why not? Just throw it on the floor. My bed's not made, and then just some clutter over here. I feel like it's not that messy, but here's the issue. Close that. I have 3 weeks worth of laundry. Yikes. Overflowing. Normally what I do is I do laundry every 2 weeks, but this weekend I was pretty busy and didn't have time to. So yeah, it kind of built up. Normally I do it on Sundays, today's Friday. Yeah, so I just need to do it. It just needs to be done and get over with. We have a ton of laundry, and that's probably the main clean, but I also want to like vacuum and wipe everything down. Dust really builds here. My apartment complex doesn't have like vents on our air conditioning. It's always dusty. You see me? Hi. We're just gonna clean. I think I'm gonna start with my laundry because that obviously can like multitask. Like it can be washing while I clean other things, so that's like fun. I'm gonna take some before photos too, so it'll be fun. Okay, so my laundry is still going. My vacuum died in the middle of me vacuuming. We're charging it. I actually wanted to show you guys what I've done so far. Not too much, but you know. I want to know because every time I have a question I ask you guys, and you guys are just so smart. I feel like I've learned so much from you. Oh, I could clean this. Yes, okay. I was like thinking of things I could do. But I like wiped down this, and I want to know. Okay, I seriously just wiped it down and there's still dust on this. Does anyone hate when that does that? When it's like kind of wet and then you're like, oh, it's clean, and then it dries and you're like, no, it's not. But does anyone know how to like get rid of the dust here? I've tried like a ton of different things before and dust just collects there and then it has like that white line. Guys have any ideas? Let me know. Yeah, I should clean these. Duh. But I have this mirror that I clean this off. I'm gonna throw this in my laundry because, oh my god, I almost just caught that on fire. But also another thing that I wanted to show you guys was that on Halloween, actually, I was bored, so I decided to organize, and I wanted to show you guys how I did it because I'm like really proud of it. I'm gonna move this out of the way just so it looks cuter. Still watching? This is my most prized, I know that doesn't look organized, but I swear it is. I had a ton of these maybe I should clean them out. Ooh, that's something I could do today too. Oh my god, no. I have to leave to go to a doctor's appointment soon, so I need to make food first. I'm also really hungry. Wow, today is just flying by me. But yeah, I got these organizers from Target. They come in really good sets, so you can either get 2 of these big ones for $2 or 3 of these for $2. This is not sponsored. I just really like them, and I just feel like they help me stay organized. Obviously, like in it might not look organized, but to me, this is like great. Everything has its place. Even like my lighter and my candle lit cutter. Over here, I have this little organizer in here. I have this little guy in here for my pens. Everything just feels so organized. I love this one. I have like extra makeup, maybe some skin and hair things here. I also have this contact paper from Target, which is amazing. I also have it in there. Love it. But this is like the everyday stuff I use. My deodorant, lotion, and hairbrush. I have makeup in here. This I want to organize more. I feel like I didn't organize that enough, so maybe I'll do that. You know, just some products that I use. And then this one didn't really change too much. I have those organizers there from IKEA. Actually, I think I might put a hold on cleaning for right now so I can make some food because I am starving. Woo! It's 2 days later and I have some bad news. It happened again. I needed to know what to wear and yeah. So we're gonna be cleaning again. So I feel like I need to reorganize and go through my lights once again because I put some stuff in my laundry basket that doesn't belong in my laundry basket. And then also my washer and dryer, I accidentally put this in with my colored or like my darker clothes and it turned it the wrong color and now there's stains on it. Does anyone else's washing machine or dryer like put like little black marks on things? My roommates and I have tried to washing machine cleaner through it and like a ton of stuff, but there's just always like little black stains on our clothes and it's really annoying. Finally finished my laundry. We need that in our lives.
Take me to places I've never been. You do things that make me a better man. And bus stops they turn into hours spent rambling on. One look and you got the best of me. 4 feet take us where we wanna be. 3 words that would be the death of me. Chances are we'll end up in a bar tonight where drinks turn off the filter right, put in place to hide things we both know. It's obvious there'll come a time I'll board a plane and leave behind the closest thing to home, away from home. My mind won't forget nights like these ones.
Finally just finished my laundry. It took me a few days to get that done. But one thing that I actually want to do is reorganize my closet. I don't really love the way it's organized right now. I brought a few like winter things from home that I don't really know where I want to put. And I feel like this is just not that organized. This is also just like, it's like falling off.
I'm falling before I go again. I've tried to pretend time is on our side. I'm falling before I go again. Falling, I'm falling before I go again. We talk late at night like we're Letterman. We're deeper right now than I've ever been. Overthinking this would be irrelevant. Chances are we'll end up in a bar tonight where drinks turn off the filter right, put in place to hide things we both know. It's obvious there'll come a time I'll board a plane and leave behind the closest thing to home, away from home. My mind won't forget nights like these ones.
We're gonna finish this video. We're gonna clean one last time. I'll show you an overview. It's all right. It's all right. I need to vacuum. But what I want to do is clean these out.
I'm falling before I go again. I've tried to pretend time is on our side. I'm falling before I go again.
overview. So pretty, so nice and clean. Love it. Yay. Let me know if you guys like videos like this where I do a few cleans, or if you guys want one giant video where I do a deep clean. I'm gonna end this video here. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. Join the fam. Turn on your post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. I think that's it. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.